Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will be teaching you about lead magnets and how to create the best ones for your business. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay guys, so in this lesson we're going to go over the different types of lead magnets you can use for lead generation. So I'm going to walk through some examples of possible lead magnets, and then we're going to go create our own little example for this course. So starting at the least expensive end of the spectrum, as some might say, we have a little PDF report. These are really common, and I'm sure you've seen about 1 million of them online. If you're on a tight budget or a tight schedule, these are a great way to deliver a little bit of value in return for some opt-ins. Here we have another PDF guide or ebook, and the great thing about these is that you can literally outsource the content writing to a freelancer or license pre-written materials elsewhere if you just can't be bothered to make your own from scratch. One downside of the old ebook/PDF model, of course, is that they have low perceived value, which can sometimes mean lower opt-in rates and less excited prospects. The next step up could be something like a video course. Here we see a bundle of 2 video courses being offered as a lead magnet. For a lot of people, this will have more perceived value than a PDF file. So if there's a simple way for you to obtain or create video content, or even repurpose your textual content into video form, that might help raise your perceived value. Moving even further in that direction, we have a full membership, an academy with a ton of video lessons and courses. As you can imagine, this will be seen as pretty valuable for a free lead magnet. And finally, here we have sort of a bundle, 3 video courses plus a membership. This is really pushing the perceived value of a lead magnet to the max. So let's go ahead and start crafting our own lead magnet. Now obviously, this lesson isn't going to teach you how to create the actual content. That's something you or your company have to do. So I'm not going to show you how to write a book. What we are going to do is assume that you've already created the content itself, either by you or outsourcing it to someone or acquiring it and licensing it, and we're going to package it into an attractive lead magnet. So let's come on over here to myecovermaker.com. And let's say we want to offer a guide on do-it-yourself home improvement. So let's choose one of the tablet options way down here. That's always a cool way to represent an ebook or a PDF guide. And let's set our background on this to black. Let's stick a little title in here, maybe DIY Home Repair Guide. Let's resize that a little bit and move it around. Okay, and now we need a compelling image. So let's come over here and let's type in construction. This will give us a ton of results to choose from. And let's go with this one right here. We'll bring that into our e-cover and reposition it a little bit. Once we're happy with the way it looks, we'll hit finalize and we'll give it a few moments to render that for us. All right, not bad. So we've got an attractive lead magnet created here, and the next step is going to be to present it in an attractive way on an actual landing page, which is what we'll cover in the next lesson.